What's going on, YouTube? Just a little update on the FSL 200. As you can see, if you saw the video, I was CNCing this out. Kind of came out pretty sweet, all lightened channels. And got the FSL 200 in there. Now this is Teflon, and I was hoping maybe that could act like a motor mount, get rid of some of the vibration. And I got the real short kind of road style shocks on there. And this was a challenge. I had to make some custom bands to get that to work, to run around the doodad. The tranny is not mounted currently, but I have all the mounting holes ready to mount. That's going to take some effort. I got a couple 3D printed parts ready to test. If anyone wants the prints for the frame, they can have them. But I like the short shocks. And obviously I can put taller shocks on it. I got the 4-link. It can get taller if needed. And here's all my 3D printed parts, just, you know, trying to get the frame right. You see that's a little higher band, that's a little lower band, and then all these little doodads trying to, you know, trying to figure it out. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard designing something from scratch. Designing something from scratch and exactly the way you want it. All these are custom built by me. Except for the swivelies. I'm one short on the swivelly. Apparently I can't add, you know, it's hard. But anyways, got the clutch in there, and I'm really happy with what it is. What I really wanted to do is have this, hold on, this sort of body style on it. And I kind of cut it out. I wasn't trying to hack it too much, just slowly hack it. But this is for the Revo 3.3 body. And the axles I bought from eBay, which are all built and super sweet. Awesome. But I don't know. They kind of look skinny on this body. I mean, it looks pretty cool. But as you can see, it doesn't quite fit. So I wish I could get this body a little bit scaled down. I don't know if that'll happen. But that's besides the point. That's later on in life. We got servos to hook up, and it looks good so far. But the 3D printer really makes it happen. Like, this is just all testering and awesome. And then, you know, you get to finally get your final product. And like I say, if you want the solid model of this, you can have it. Just ask. And it'll accept longer shocks, obviously, but I was just looking for the lowrider. That's why I had to bend all these properly. And I'm waiting on China to finally fire up the motor, but kind of want it all together. Before I fire it. And, you know, I might be obsessed with RC cars. Don't judge me. This is the point. Don't look at it over there. So that's where we're at. And, you know, super awesome exhaust manifold, custom made, for sale. I also offer the prints. If you guys want any prints, they're all saved on SolidWorks. Any style you want, I'll give it to you. But that's where it's at. Like, subscribe, and troll.